Hey kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a this snowstorm. So yeah guys, I love doing these role plays and thank you for your support. Love you. So anyways, we're going to be doing the snowstorm role play. So yes. So I kinda wanna get into this video really bad because I really want to do this role play. So let's go. Hey, can you turn on the news? Why do you watch the news? It's already 8. Shouldn't you do that in the morning? Oh my god, just turn it on. Fine. Breaking news on the news. By the way, breaking news. There is a snowstorm coming in 1 hour at 9 p.m. Oh my, what? Oh my god. What? There's a snowstorm coming? Oh my god. We need to get prepared. Oh my god. Plug in your phones. Oh my god. Plug them in. Right now. Okay, where's the flashlight? Oh my god. Oh, gotta plug the iPad in. Okay, here I got this. Ignore that there's like these machines. I know it's like you have to, or you already have it updated. Okay, I got the flashlight. Don't waste all its battery. Charge it. I guess I don't have any charging ports. Okay, don't go. Can I go grab the globe thingy? Oh my god, just go ahead. I don't care. Oh my god. Okay, this is not the first time I'm having this. This is the first time having this spell in the teens, so they have no idea what to do. Okay, I got it. Turn it off so it doesn't waste the battery. Turn it off. Okay, there. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, turn off the TV. Oh my god, okay. The fridge is not gonna work. Oh my god. I mean, the fridge, we can, at least we could still use the fridge, but we just can't see it. Okay. 1 hour later. I'm afraid that the snow or the rain is gonna get into our house. Oh my god, me too. Oh my god, what is that? Is that burning sensation? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's getting in. Oh my god, I cannot die like this. Oh my god, it's getting into. Okay, it is getting it's getting into their house, guys, okay? Oh my god, it's actually in there. No. Oh my god. Okay, we need to run. Where are we going? Well, I don't know. Get your phone. We need to come in. Okay. Calls. Hey, the snowstorm is getting into our house. Oh my god, are you guys okay? No, we are in shelter, but the lights are about to go out. Where are the lights? What? Oh, there. Oh my god, it's burning, guys. Please don't. I actually love doing this real quick. Oh my god. See, wait. Oh my god, thank you so much. We're about to die. We can't help you. Oh my god, oh my god. This is scary. Okay. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, don't tell me this. Oh my god, no. Turn that off. Oh my god, I can see. Beard. This is peer darkness. Okay, we're gonna have to go to the smoke and escape out of the house. But if we escape out of the house, it's gonna be like snowing. Yeah, but we need something complete. Okay, let's go. I'll get in my outfit. Okay. Okay, bring some clothes. Oh my god, I can't believe this is actually happening. Me too. Okay, I'll get my earmuffs. This. Okay, bring your pajamas. Okay. Oh my god, this is actually happening to me. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, me too. I really want to cry right now, and I'm not. Okay, just be patient. Okay. I need to bring this. This is my childhood memory. Okay, my pajamas. My pajamas. Okay. Get the bag. Okay. Where are your phones? Phones. Get the bag. Get the phone. Okay. We'll leave the iPad because we just need our phones. Okay, I don't think we're gonna escape. This is for actually kissing the house. Bye. Oh my god, we need to go, we need to go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh, we can't escape. Oh my god, no. We can't escape. Cannot escape. Oh, my flashlight works. Okay, we'll turn it off. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let me go put the clothes back. Okay, get changed back into your cozy clothes. Okay. Oh my god, this was not supposed to happen. I know it wasn't supposed to happen. Let me go to the bottom. Candle burns out. Candle burns out. Okay, okay. Grab our phones now. Okay, I got my phone. Go put this back. Okay. Oh my god. I really don't think that. I need to put on a face mask. Now is not the time to put on a face mask. Do you know? Oh, guys, no. Okay. Get it. Come on. This is not how I did it together. 5 hours later. Ding ding. Oh my god. Oh, guys. Sorry about the lag again. Oh my god, what is... Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, the storm is over. I'm so... Oh my god. That was the most scariest experience of my life. Bye, besties. If you guys want more videos like this, like and subscribe.